Hello friends, this tutorial shows us how to generate a table of content in Word. The first step is to number our document. So we go on insert, page number, bottom of page, and we choose, you have our document has been numbered successfully. The next step will be to affect titles to various headings. We choose the first title, we affect to heading 1, and we modify. We can click, we go on modify. We choose Times New Roman depending on us, our font size 16, bold, automatic, justify, and we apply. Now to see how our headings is adding automatically on our keyboard, we press Ctrl F, and this is our first heading that has been added. We add the next heading, acknowledgement, heading 1. It has added the table of content, our next heading, heading 1 also. List of figure, heading 1. List of table, heading 1. Iconic, heading 1. Glossary, heading 1. Chapter 1 is also a heading, it's under heading 1. Now we have a subtitle of chapter 1. So we will add this one on heading 2. We modify. We right click and we modify. Times New Roman, in this case 14, no italic, automatic, justify, and we apply. It appears as you can see. The next subtitle, heading 2. This one, the objective of the research, heading 2. Heading 2. Heading 2. Heading 2. Chapter 1, chapter 2, sorry, heading 1, the chapter. Chapter 3, heading 1 also. 3.1, heading 2, the subtitle of the chapter. This one is a subtitle of the subtitle, so we go on heading 3, we modify. We can allow it at we choose Times New Roman 12, 13, bold, automatic, justify, and we add. It appears. Heading 2, you want a subtitle of the chapter. Heading 3, subtitle of the subtitle. Heading 3. Heading 3 also. Heading 2, subtitle of the chapter. Heading 3, subtitle of the subtitle. Heading 3, subtitle of the subtitle. You can see how they are appearing progressively. Heading 3, subtitle of the subtitle. Heading 2, subtitle of the chapter. Heading 3. Heading 3. Heading 3. Heading 3. Heading 3. A chapter, heading 1. Heading 2. Heading 2 also. Heading 3, subtitle of the subtitle. Heading 2, heading 3, sorry. Heading 3 also. A chapter, heading 1. Subtitle, heading 2. region 2, region 3, region 2, region 3, subtitle with subtitle, region 3, this one is supposed to be 5, region 3, yes, region 3, region 2, region 2, region 2, region 2, region 3, region 3, a chapter, region 1, region 2, region 2, yes, region 2 also, and we end region 1. So after having added the various region, we move now to generate our table of content. We click on any space under the table of content page, we go on reference, table of content, and we generate. Yeah, this is our table of content. Thanks for watching. For any worry or suggestion, please contact us on our page, and if the video was interesting, please share so that other people can also learn.